welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the like button, drop your comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And there are a lot of videos on this channel as well. You can as well check it up. Okay, all of them are free and well detailed and informative. And on this channel, what's this channel about? It's about online marketing. And you get what I'm saying? We show ways to market your product online. Some marketing tactics using social media marketing, and we as well show some ways whereby you earn using some opportunities on this channel. You get what I'm saying now? So that is actually what this channel is about. We also post some tips and tricks you can use on your Android device, on your phones. So ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on your bell notifications. So this actual video is going to be talking about how to get more followers on your Facebook page by adding all your friends to your Facebook page. That is, adding them to your phrase, inviting all your friends with one click. And you get what I'm saying? You'll be able to invite them just with one click. If you, let's say, for instance, you have 5,000 friends, you'll be able to invite all the 5,000 friends to your Facebook page. And the best thing is that your friends know you, they like you, and or something. Let's say you just invite maybe like 5,000 friends. At least let's just say maybe 2,000 friends just like your Facebook page, or maybe you just created this Facebook page and you imagine just 2,000 friends just liked it. Imagine how your page will rank up in Facebook um metrics. Are you get what I'm saying? This is actually going to boost your relevance score on Facebook. So this is actually how it goes. So we are going to go into it right now. The first thing you need to do is click on Play Store, search for FB Lite, FB Lite. That is Facebook Lite. Do you understand? Everybody knows the app. So this is the actual app. You have to install it and download it. But now I don't want to update this app. So I have it on my phone already. So let me go and open it. Once you open it. The first thing you need to do is log into your Facebook account. You will see a place whereby you are going to click, whereby you're going to click in order to add your account, your password and everything. So that once you've done that, go to the page. You already have friends already, so go to the page whereby you want to promote. Do you understand? Now let me choose one page here. I'm going to choose this page, grow your business. Now once I choose this page, this is the page I created maybe like 2 to 3 years ago, but I just want to use it as an example. So if you are just creating a new page, you can do it as well like that. You can create multiple page and invite your friends, whatever you want to do. Just be very careful with Facebook. Okay, so this is actually it. Now the first thing you need to do is scroll down. Okay, ensure your page is not banned and look at invite friends here. Are you get what I'm saying now? Can you see this invite friends? Once you click on invite friends, you will see all your friend list here. This thing will say select all 1,214 friends. Can you imagine? So this is the amount of friends I have on this Facebook account. So if you have more than that, maybe like 5,000, it will tell you to select. Or once you click on it, it will select everything. And once you click send invitations, the invitations will go to all of them, period. And once it goes to all of them, due to the fact that it's your fan page, and you know that this your friends, they know about you. Probably the trick I would tell you to do is, like, in that page name, try and include maybe like your something like your name, something like your nickname, so that some of these friends can know that, okay, fine, this page is coming from this person, so let me actually like it or something like that. This is very, very simple and very effective tool to use to quickly boost your relevance score on Facebook and get some more fans without you paying for anything. And you get what I'm saying? Now I'm going to show you another very very effective one. Let's say maybe you are not an admin of that page, but you've created that page. What you could just do is, this same page, maybe let's just say let's just say you want to invite some other friends to this same Facebook page. What you just do is, I will use another Facebook page as an example. Let's say you can do it for a page that you are not an admin, and that is the most beautiful things. Let's say we've logged in with another account using this account. Do you understand? And we want to invite we want to add another set of friends from another Facebook account to that page. You understand? So what you do is log into another Facebook account, just search the page here. Once you search the page here, are you get what I'm saying? Let's just say maybe I'll search for this. Are you get what I'm saying? This is, let me just say this is the page here. Okay, this is the page we went to that time. I'm just using as an example. Once you search another page here, what you go down is, you are not an admin of this page. You just scroll down, and once you scroll down, you click on invite your friends to like this page. Once you click on invite your friends, can you see all the select all your friends here? Are you get what I'm saying? So probably you can use another Facebook account to, to add that new Facebook account friends into your page, into that same page we did that time. So I just use this one as an example. So let me just say I selected my friends. Do you understand? I send invitations to them all. Invitations, notifications sent. So all the invitations is sent to all of them. So that is actually how you do it. I just use this page and as an example. So either you are an admin or you are not an admin on that page, you could add friends, a lot of friends. So this is another yet way, common way to promote your, Facebook page and get a lot of fans, a lot of fans. Are you get what I'm saying now? So that is actually it. So you could have different kind of Facebook account, maybe like three Facebook account, and create one page in that three Facebook accounts. You first add the friend of that first Facebook account. You invite them there. You log into your second Facebook account. You don't need to add that second and third FB account as an admin on that page. You get what I'm saying? Just log into your second Facebook account, search for that page, go down, click on invite friends like this. Search for the page, click on it, click on invite friends. You get what I'm saying now? Click on invite friends. Once you click on invite friends, you will be told to select all of them. You can see all the 1224 has been added, but 164 is still left. So what you do is select it all again. You get what I'm saying? And send invitations. So once you do that, you could wait for some while, and you could add, keep on doing it, keep on doing like that with different kind of account, like adding their friends to your page, adding their friends to your page, adding their friends to your page. So this will promote your page and give you some very great quality relevant score, and that is actually how it is. So don't forget to like this page on Facebook. This is the page. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel that you're watching, AY Life Motivations. This is actually where a lot of motivations has been posted, and relationship, reactions to videos, and different kind of things like that. So thank you very much, and I expect you to subscribe. See you on the next video. Thank you, and God bless you.